Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the 0x80070005 error when updating Windows 10, 8 or 7. So before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel for other tutorials and do that right now. Once you're done we can start. So basically this is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and all you want to do is just open CMD. So open the start menu and type CMD. Command prompt should come up, and right click on it and click on run as administrator. Okay, so now what you want to do is type in reg svr32 space words QUARTZ.dll. So make sure that you get this right, and once you do, just click on enter. It should come up with DLL register server in quartz.dll succeed. Click on OK and close the command prompt. Now restart your PC and the error should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.